Hello, welcome back to the garage. Part 4 of the winter rebuild tonight. We've got quite a bit again to do tonight, as always. Just myself and Jay tonight. We're missing Budgie. He's missing in action tonight. Having a night off at home alone. Waiting for his Sky Engineer apparently. But we're going to crack on without him. So tonight is what we've got to do is some vinyl wrapping. We've got the scuttle panel, which you can see there at the minute is in white, so that will be nice and green later. We have a new bonnet as well, which we're going to change as well, so that'll be all green and done as well. We then got to refit the dash and the dash pods. We've got a new dash under there because the old one was all a little bit had it. We just want to make it all nice, fit all the bonnet pins, quite a few of the clips and everything that need fitting on tonight, little fiddly jobs. Then we're going to put the prop back on the axle, which you can see is still off down there at the moment. And then we're going to get it all ready for setup on Sunday.
Yeah.
So we're now going to have a look at Jay vinyling the scuttle scuttle panel. That's how it's done. So Jay, what are you doing? Explain to...
Trying to make it look better than the old one.
See, a lot of people are still painting cars, but we find it's a lot easier and cheaper. As you can just put the vinyl on there, like getting all the bubbles out.
Instant shine.
you get a crease in it. Look at that, look. This is an old bit of vinyl as well, you see, that we're hacked off from last
took off
year.
the old bonnet. We are a team of recycling.
Do feel free to comment if you see any bubbles on the YouTube video.
They will be ignored.
Pressure, he's actually sweating now. The pressure is on.
Fat.
I'll take you to have a look at one he done earlier. Light blue Peter, look at that, one new bonnet. All done, all vinyl, shiny and ready. Well, we've come to the end of tonight. Quite a lot done. Good successful night really. Just show you around. We've done Jay's wrapped the bonnet and the scuttle panel. So they're all ready for new stickers, along with the front grille, which was all peeled off tonight. All rubbed down, bits of filler have been done. So that's all done nicely. Top of the wing done, ready to have the rest of that put on as well. With props been put back on, the brakes have all been adjusted and bled. Bit of a time consuming job, but they're all right now, all done. Some wheels have been made up, so they've all been fitted as well to the car, so we're making some good progress. Ready for the weekend where we're going to have a full day on it of setup. So